Hello everyone, it's Letitia with Blue Heart Crochet, and today I am coming to you again. Anyways, welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you're a current subscriber, and speaking of subscribers, I am 11 subscribers from 200. 200's a big goal. Not goal, what is it? That's a big milestone, whatever they call it. Anyways, but 11 subscribers from reaching 200. Come on, hit the subscribe button. Anyways, here we go. First of all, I'm having some tea. Yes, tea. It's hotter than the moon outside, but I'm having tea. Cheers. I did find this brand of McCormick. Never had seen it before, but it's spearmint tea. Té de hierbabuena. If I translated that in English, it'd be good weed. But so yeah, it's spearmint tea. It does have a hint, not very strong. Tastes really. Anyways, this is a crochet channel, not a tea channel. So let's get to it. So the last video I showed all the dragons and chickens and mice and all that good stuff. Well, the mice, I couldn't stop with that, so hold on. So as you remember, I made these 4 right here. I think it was 4, I can't remember, but anyways, I made those 4. Let me throw these in the back. So I just couldn't help myself. Then I made this one, and they're tiny. I mean, he is not even the length of my finger. These are the googly eyes. Oh my gosh, I wish my camera would focus a little bit more. And then the nose is I have some glow-in-the-dark, me and my glow-in-the-dark paint. So that's what I used, and it came out looking just like a little bead. So I made that one. I made these 2. Then I made these 2. I think they're just so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And then I made this is also considered a 4-weight yarn. And well, I know I had 4 of these little suckers. 4 of the little gray ones. I don't know where the other one's at. He must be hiding somewhere, eating cheese or something. But anyways, I'll put a picture of them all stacked up. But I made these. There's 4 of these little ones, and these are tiny. These are even smaller than these. So as you can see, I think they're just so cute. Pattern is by, I think it's supposed to be Milo the mouse, and it's a free Instagram pattern. I cannot remember the creator, but anyways, I'll put it down below. Then I made a little camouflaged one. Why is my camera so blurry today? Hold on, Zane. I made these little critters. I think there was 2, 4, 6, 10. I made 10 of them because I have 4 of these little suckers. Oh, here he is. I found him. So yes, I have 4 of these little babies. So altogether I have 4, 6, 8. Yep, I made 10. So anyways, I don't know what happened there. Let's see, what else did I make? Hold on. I showed you my bookends, the bouquin couple. Them, they're sold. Yep, someone bought them. I sold them for $10 a piece. So yep. Anyways, so they're sold. Then let's see, what else did I make? Oh yes, I've been wanting to make some axolotls. I don't know, I've made some in the past, and they've sold. I just haven't made any lately. I can't remember the pattern that I used, but this one that I made last night is a pattern by Crochet by Jenna, or Jenna's Crochet by Jenna, I think. She's getting ready to have a baby. But anyways, this is her YouTube tutorial, not Instagram or anything, just YouTube. And so I made this little axolotl. Now, when I'm trying out patterns like I mentioned before, I do them in acrylic, just to see if I'm even going to like it, and not waste my plush yarn on them. So anyways, I might make this in a plush yarn, because I know kiddos like it and stuff. So yeah, it's a cute little pattern. It did come out smaller than hers, but then I used acrylic. So anyways, that is the acrylic version, axolotl, and it's really cute. So I think I will make some more. I might make more in acrylic, because I have a lot of acrylic. I might make some purple ones and green and whatnot. But yep, there's the little axolotl. I made, my God, I made a mini cat. Okay. I can't remember who this was. Is it My Universe, maybe? I can't remember. Folks, I tell you, some of these patterns, when I make them, I have to laugh, because I don't know. Anyways, here's my mini loaf kitten. He little, very little. Oops. Yeah, but he looks like a hamster. Where's his head? Anyways, I have a lot of this yarn that I bought at the Walmart several years ago, and it is a Lion brand. And I know it's the price for it originally was like 30-something bucks, even at Walmart. So I kind of watched it and stuff, and I seen where they had it marked down in the clearance section for like 10 bucks, 10 bucks. And then I happened to go back to the Walmart, because back then I would go weekly, and they had them marked down for $5. So I believe I bought 4 of them, and now I'm just down to one big skein. There were 2 different colors. This one with the pink and like purple and gray and off-white, and then the other one is like brown and black, off-white and gray maybe. It's pretty colors. Very nice, variegated. I like it, but it's a brand by Lion brand. I think it's called Cover Up or something like that. So that's what this is. And then I used the brown ice, and so yeah, it's really cuter in person. My husband liked it. I told him it looked like a hamster. So yeah, but I believe this is a pattern by My Universe. I want to say that's who that's by. Good little pattern. I'd probably make it again. Then I made a snake as well. She's on YouTube, and so here's my snake. I used this purple because this does have some dark purple in it. Didn't really go, but you know what? It is what it is. And I like it. It's kind of a small little snake, not very big. But yep. So there's my snake. What else did I make? Yes, I made 2 pigs. Who are the pigs by? Anyways, here's my first one. He's cute. Who made the pig? Who is the pig by? She has an accent, I know that, because I think somebody must have been, people sometimes are just plain rude. Anyways, I won't go there. Between politics, religion, ethnicities, and nationalities, and all that, myself speaking, it just gets to be too much. but this is about crochet. So anyways, I'll put the link of the person who made this, and I really like the pattern because I not only did it in this plush yarn, which is Premier de Chenille, and this is in the color Cocoa, and I want to say they said this is not peach. I want to say what they said, it was like ivory. I don't know, it looks peachy to me, but he's cute. I gave him brown legs, one brown ear and the other one like that. I don't know if they're supposed to have the white around it, but I like it. He came out really cute. And then I made one in acrylic, so he came out really cute. I like the pink, and I'm not a pink girl. I'll emphasize that every time. I'm not a pink girl. It just reminds me of Pepto-Bismol. So, oh, I forgot he's got his snout, but I forgot his breathers. So I made this, and this is a Premier acrylic blend yarn, and the pink is Red Heart. So that's what it looks like. And then the eyes, I had bought, did I buy these on Amazon? I think so. And then I forgot that they had that glittery stuff, and I just stuck them on there, and I always glue my eyes from the inside with my E6000 for additional security. And look, I didn't position the glittery stuff, but it's a peg. It's a peg. So anyways, he's still cute. I gotta remember to put the little breathers on it, and then I give him pink feet. So yeah, I'll make this one again for sure. Yeah, I most definitely will, but I will probably work the ears in as I go, because I don't like that. Oh, and I give him a little butter hole with his tail. Yep, this one has a nice little long tail. Should have made it a little bit shorter, but I didn't. They're pretend. I'll have to put a clip of that little girl. Mama, it's a doll. It's not real. It's pretend. But anyways, and it is cute. I like it. They're cute. They're both cute little winkers. So anyways, that's what I made there. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. So I won't hold y'all back anymore. This one's already 10 and a couple other minutes in there. But anyways, that's it for this video. And I'd like to thank everybody for continuing to follow and like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe. And like I said, my goal is just to reach 200. I was trying to reach 200 by July, didn't make it. So anyways, if I can reach 200, I'll be just tickled blue. So, but anyways, thank you everybody. I appreciate you, and stay safe, stay cool, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out.